Over the years, I've come to realize that farms and farmers are the backbone of our great state, and farming is very challenging. Now, if you didn't grow up on a farm, how would you even know how to start one? Welcome to the Organic Farm School on Whidbey Island. It's pretty much a Hogwarts for farming. This nonprofit is training aspiring farmers in everything from soil, crop management, and even budgets.
There's no average student. We've had as young as 18 and a half and as old as 55.
Judy Feldman is the executive director, and her years of experience shows that farming goes a lot deeper than the dirt on the ground.
The dirt in the soil is so beautifully complex, but I gotta tell you, the rest of it's even more so. You learn basic crop planning, then you learn, okay, how much fertility needs to go into that plant. Okay. Here, you'll learn how to become certified organically. You'll learn community interactions, how to really engage the people who are buying from you. We'll prepare you to manage a small farm for someone else.
Okay.
So that you can deepen your skill set, and then if you choose to start your own farm, you'll be ready for it. So on Tuesdays and Thursdays, we harvest for a diversity of outlets. We harvest for our local grocery store, we harvest for our farm stand, we harvest for our farmers market. That's really important for a beginning farmer to see how to diversify your marketing outlets.
Well, and how cool that the students' work is immediately given to the community.
Absolutely. They're getting that sense of value in the community, and they're also getting feedback. Oh, maybe next time we should harvest this lettuce a little earlier.
Right.
Or, oh, maybe I should taste it before I take it to market. And that's why having an intimate program where the apprentice works directly with the farm manager,
okay,
they're learning those skills by doing those things.
Nice.
They're learning the importance of the budget by paying attention to the budget. They're learning the crop succession and when to stop planting lettuce because it's too hot, right, and start planting lettuce because it's cooling off again.
I literally Googled Organic Farm School, and this was the first thing that came up.
It's literally the name.
Yeah, exactly.
Brooke Peterson is an apprentice here at the Organic Farm School. From his time working in restaurants, his passion for food continued to grow, and enrolling in the school was the best way for him to start his journey toward having his own farm one day.
I think it's the best of both worlds. The pressure's kind of off of me, but I still get a lot of hands-on experience and I get to be a part of a lot of the decision-making processes. But I still have a chance to make mistakes in a safe environment and to ask a lot of questions and to kind of go at my own speed. I want to have my own business and I want to sell delicious and nutritious food to my community. I know as long as I'm farming, I'm going to be happy.
How does it make you feel when a crop of students comes in and then after 7 months, they leave? What's that like?
I feel like a proud mama. Every time these folks graduate and go off and they become a farm owner, a farm manager, I just stand a little taller.
Yeah.
I don't do the work. I'm not a farmer. I farm farmers, but I'm not a farmer. But watching them grow food for people that they know, their community, people with faces and names, it's a point of passion.
Well, if you keep teaching that passion and curiosity, I have wonderful hopes for the farmers of the future of Washington State.
Thank you so much. Can we sign you up?
Let's do it.
Okay.